What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got a whole bunch of E46 parts rock up. I ordered them on Christmas Day while I was sitting around the Christmas tree, and they've already rocked up. It's like, I think it took 4 days and a bunch of them are here, which is great because I did bring the car home this weekend. I was gonna get a wheel alignment. You will see that in, I don't know, the next one or the previous one. That didn't happen because the company sucked. But I've got the car here, we've got the permit, so it's great that some parts have rocked up. Today, we're going to be doing a full refurbish of like the headlight setup on the car. You would have seen in a previous video, we did like a sandback and polish of the lenses. So to show you guys that you can be kind of refurbed nice and cheap, under 20 bucks. But then I found you can get brand new lenses for like 65 bucks. Australian, delivered to your door. So I was like, well, I'm getting new indicators anyway, which are gonna be perfectly fresh and crisp. Let's get these as well and get the whole front end looking brand new. So let's head out there. We're gonna pull these lenses off and put all the new ones on the car. So to give you guys the up-to-date view of what this looks like, currently, obviously we've got this tinted. I like it. It kind of like darkens, which matches the paint and everything like that, but it is a little bit brown, so I'm not the biggest fan, so we're gonna be changing those out. And as you can see, like, it came up good, but it definitely needs a bit more time to be perfect. So let's whip them out, right? Other side's pretty much the exact same. Not 100% perfect. There's a lot of tiny little like marks on it, just like stone chips and stuff, which are gonna happen over time. But for 65 bucks, like, why wouldn't you just change them? I mean, you don't have to, you know, but I'm gonna, because it's gonna be great. So what I'm gonna do is bonnet up, indicator out, which is that one Phillips head screw, and then I've got to unclip this side of this trim. Now, as you do that, you can pull this kind of out. I'm going to try and do it and kind of just leave that section in, because that is a very fiddly section and you can break it really easily. Now, once this is kind of forward, it's just little tabs around the edge. I'll show you in a sec, but I feel like you can do this without removing this completely, like, out of the car. I don't want to do it. Like, it's not flimsy, obviously that just kind of sits there, clipped in, but I don't want to break that. So we'll lean it out. Anyway, let's get in, take these lenses off. Okay, so as I thought, you can just unclip this piece here from the front in that corner, and then you can lean it out. There's a clip there that you need to undo as well, and then it can kind of just sit out to the side. After that, it's just pulling up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips, and this will just pull off the front. You've got to take this off as well, but that's easy. Yeah, really simple, really simple. So, I'm gonna whip that out, whip the other one out, and put the new ones in. I can't wait for this. This is gonna look so good. I mean, it's not gonna be the biggest transformation, but fresh headlights just hit different, I swear. All right, let's do this. All right, so you'll look like this once you've got it out. You can take this completely off, this like shroud. I'm gonna get new ones, so I'm not too fussed about it. They just clip in like around the edges. You can slide it in. I'm just gonna unclip this now and leave it off. I'll put new ones on later. I think they're like 20 bucks, so definitely worth getting as well. I just didn't realize that mine were cooked. So you got your tabs down there, 1, 2, 3, 3 at the top, and then 1 on the inside. As you take them out, you just kind of wanna, you might have to do them a few times because some of them re-grab, and then you just kind of ease it out. It's hard to see perfectly because of the cling film, but like these are a lot clearer. Oh man, they're gonna look so good. All right, so to install it, it's really easy. You just wanna get it like nice and square with it and go in as one, because you've got like a locator down here that sits there, and also a locator here that sits kind of in there. So yeah, you don't wanna angle it, you just kind of wanna put it in straight. And just so you know, you've got to put a bit of pressure in to get these clips into place, purely because there's a rubber seal all the way around the edge which stops water getting into your headlight. So don't be afraid to give it a bit of pressure just to get those clips on, but obviously you don't want to break it. So yeah, it's if you work your way around, it's a bit easier like that. So like these are on, then that one, and so on all the way around. And then the last one in the middle. Done. Oh man, these look so good. I just did the other side. Ready? Oh my God, I am ecstatic with that. That looks so good. Oh my God, that looks so good. You don't understand how wrapped I am. That looks incredible. Literally looks like brand new with a fresh paint, fresh lip, fresh headlights. Oh, can't wait to see these indicators in as well because they're just gonna finish it off. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in. I was just making sure that when I get the new one of these, I can slip that in. Now, I'm not sure if it comes with all of this or if it's just the rubber around the edge. Either way, it's a cheap part. I'm gonna go and buy that right now. Doesn't matter for this video. I'm just gonna chuck it on just to make it like pristine, but oh, all right, let's get that piece back in. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that was probably the best $65 I've ever spent on this car. Like I'm probably talking rubbish, to be honest, but that has transformed it. Like I didn't think that was gonna make that much of a difference, but I just can't believe how crisp and fresh that looks. Like it looked like a nice car. Now it looks like a brand new car. Like this front looks like showroom brand new. Apart from the indicators because I haven't put them in yet. Like I'm probably exaggerating because it's mine, but damn, this thing's turning out so good. Oh man, I'm genuinely just so stoked with how this thing's turning out. 65 bucks, why would you not? You know? All right, so that is gonna be it for today's video, guys. Just the headlight lenses, nice quick one for you. If you haven't done this, do it. I think it's under like 60 Australian dollars. So if you're like, you know, in, I don't know, Europe, it's like 30 pound, 30 euro, whatever it may be. I don't know, something like that. It's cheap, cheap, cheap. And it completely transformed the front end. Like I was really happy with my headlights, the way they were, but then I was like, that's really cheap. Let's just swap them out, get brand new ones. And I mean, like completely transformed it. They're plastic, so they're gonna get like little stone chips, stuff like that. So definitely do it. I did wanna do the indicator upgrade in this video, but we've had a bit of troubles getting them. I actually got them for Christmas from my brother-in-law, but I told him to get the wrong ones. I didn't realize there was 2 different ways to actually fit your front indicators. There's like, yeah, there's like a style like that, and then a style like that. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. So we sent them back, I ordered another set, and then they came in wrong again, even though I'd ordered the right ones. So I've sent them back, and hopefully we get the right ones this time. But I'll do a quick video for you guys on that one as well. That'll be the front end done, and then we got LEDs to do in the back. I've got to order them, and then I'm gonna do something else lighting wise. It's gonna really annoy the internet, but I love it, so whatever. And I got a sneaky little deal today. The Nike store near my house had some Jordan 6s in, so retro, love it, big Jordan fan. And when the scalpers aren't ruining the market and they're actually in store, I love to be able to go and get some, so super stoked with that. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys go and do it. Link is in the description for these, so you can do an Amazon link, grab them, chuck them in. It literally will take you half an hour, even if you have no idea what you're doing. Watch this video, it's that easy, chuck them in and you will be stoked. Thanks for coming along, guys. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.